Hey everyone, it's Michelle and welcome to Mindful Mondays. So each week I've decided to come to you either through a video or even a Facebook Live to give you a quick tip on how to manage your anxiety in the moment. Last week I talked a little bit about how you can set aside a time to be anxious. So when you notice you're anxious, you can just decide a time and go ahead and be anxious during that time. This week, I want to talk to you about potentially bringing your awareness right back to the present moment. So when you find yourself thinking about the future or worrying about the past, you can go ahead and have that moment of aha, right? It's that waking up moment. It's like, oh, I'm caught in a thought. That's actually the practice. The practice is actually having the awareness that you're caught in a thought. And when you have that awareness, you actually create a little bit of space to decide your next step. And so you can decide to continue thinking about the past or worrying about the future, or you can decide to bring your awareness back to the present moment. And so this week, I'd encourage you to try and bring your awareness back to the present moment. Whatever it is you're doing, get really intimate with that task. So for example, let's say you're washing the dishes at the kitchen sink and you're thinking about or worrying about something that either happened at work or didn't happen at work or a conversation you had with a friend. The moment you realize you're caught in that thought, go ahead and say to yourself, oh, just thinking again, and bring your awareness with kindness and compassion back to that present moment. Notice the sponge in your hand. Notice the warmth of the water over the dishes. Notice the sounds that you're hearing. Notice how you're standing. Notice if you're shifting your weight from one foot to another. How intimate can you be with that present moment? I actually like to pick a task every day and do it mindfully. So the one thing I do habitually is I brush my teeth. And so I try to be as mindful and as present as I can when I'm brushing my teeth. So I notice the smell of the toothpaste, the feel of the brush across my teeth and my gums. I notice my hand moving back and forth. It's just a real good practice to stay as present as I can during my teeth brushing experience. And then I try to take that practice with me throughout the day. So when I notice I'm caught in a thought, I just bring myself back to whatever it is I'm doing and I get as close and as intimate as I can using my five senses to that process. So I hope that's really helpful. So you'll see me every Monday doing one of these and offering up some tips and tricks for you. And if there is a need or want to learn more about what I'm doing over at thepathtoserenity.com. So I hope that's helpful. I hope that's helpful. You're going to be seeing me every week doing one of these little tips and trick videos. And if you want to learn more about what I'm doing, you can go ahead and head over to my website, thepathtoserenity.com, and even check out the webinar that I have there that talks a little bit more about how to manage your anxiety in the moment. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day.